Hey, today I've got an Abus AE3 CS-55 closed shackle padlock with an interchangeable core. It has got one of these convenient pilot holes that Bosnian Bill, and I got a master lock from someone who would taken the side off. I can't remember who it was, something like Kokomo lock or something like that. Yeah, but this convenient pilot hole is where the screw is. This little hole's to stop the water draining in and pooling down here, but it's highlighting that the interchangeable core will drop out if you stick a drill through there. Yeah, wouldn't like to say that Abus are going the same way as Master Lock. Well, they're not, but yeah, seems like a little bit of a schoolboy error to follow them. Right, anyway, I do have a key, and that is what it looks like. Not radical bitting on that, but basically, I was disappointed when I first saw it. I thought, you know, this is going to be some easy pick. But when you start picking, it feels like there is some severe tension coming from the springs up there. In fact, it's not the springs; it's the actuator and system that throws open the shackle. It's under so much tension. It feels like the whole thing's gonna pop in there. And this is what it sounds like. It's so much thrust, recoil. It's like it's, I don't know, the recoil of a gun. I'll just show you from this end. Focus it up. Enough of that. I never get tired of it though. Right, okay. Today I'm going to use a DeForest or a Reach diamond by Peterson. My favoured pick manufacturer. I do have sets from, I'm going to go to the top of the keyword. I do have sets from Southwood, Sparrows, Gosso, Clom, but have settled on Peterson. The quality is there, just a couple of quid more per pick, but it's worth it. Okay, starting from the front, it's a bit of a wobble to get in under that pin because it's so close to the warding. And starting off with a bit of tension, I'm going to release it as I need to. Okay, pin 2. Okay, 2 is in. A little bit of a turn on the core. Can you see alright? Sorry, and the shadow my hand is casting. Okay, that was number 3. Oh. There we go. Yeah, it's a fair struggle. Keeping everything from going off. Right, I will give this a little gutting, and we can have a little look at the. Sorry, I don't want to try and keep that in shot. Yeah, that gives you an idea of the weight of the padlock as well there. It's a lump. I don't know how much it weighs, but it's got to be somewhere close to 3/4 of a kilo. I don't know what that is in American. Pounds and ounces. We have... I think it's 2.2 pounds to a kilo here. It's 2 pounds to a kilo in America. Okay, so I'm going to open this little screw down there. A little bit of Loctite on there or something. Okay, that is out. And now we can see the gubbins underneath here. So can you see that coiled? Can you see the coiled spring and the actuator at the top? That's the spring-loaded tension that enabled the kaboom. Right, and here is the core. Just take these little pieces off. And it's a okay, so just normal standards. I mean, it's a stock lock from Avus, so there's not going to be any crazy in there. Okay, and now to open up the Bible. So we have, serrated spool, another spool, another spool, and another spool. I won't get the pins out if that's okay. I'll just show you down in there. So there's all the springs. You can see they're not big, they're just normal springs. And here's the core. And there's no threading or counter milling going on in there, it's just a normal core. Okay, and there are the key pins down the bottom and the drivers, starting with the get the focus right. Okay, there we are. 5 spools and a light serrated. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, the gum down the bottom, and come back for some more soon. Take it easy. Be good.